top tree of 375. So 375, it can be written as 3 times 125. 3 times 125 means 375. Now 125, it can be written as 5 times 25. 5 times 25 means 125. So now 25, it can be written as 5 times 5. 5 times 5 means 25. So now we select a prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 3, 5, 5 and 5. So we can write 375 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 3 times 5 times 5 times this 5. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.